Hello and welcome. This is my Excel interactive dashboard. If I want to check data for 2017, I click 2017. If I need 2018, if I need 2019, if I need to check the data for product 1, if I need to check only from Alabama, and if I need to check returning customers. If I need to update any data, it will automatically update in the dashboard. For example, we only have data up to 2019. So if I have to put data for 2020, let's say for 1st January 2020, so the dashboard has moved to 2020, and if I check 2020, I'll have only data for January that has what I needed. There are no returns in January, 100% on time. They are returning, and I only needed data for that day because it is only a single day that I inputted to demonstrate that the dashboard automatically updates. If you need such a dashboard, please contact me. I'm ready to help you. Thank you.